I won't waste your time. Let's dive straight into creating an amazing AI avatar. Ever wondered how those faceless YouTube channels are raking in thousands of subscribers? Today, I'm pulling back the curtain and showing you exactly how to create your own animated talking avatar using free AI tools. Just like this.
Hey there! I know your time is valuable, so let's dive straight into creating amazing AI avatar.
If you've been dreaming of building a channel without ever showing your face, this is your golden ticket. You might be thinking, but I'm not a tech genius. Well, neither am I. If I can do it, so can you. In fact, I'll let you in on a little secret. This 10x income channel grew from 0 to over 300,000 subscribers in just 2 years with only 51 videos, racking up over 12 million views, all using an avatar just like the one I'm about to show you how to make. Another channel, Digital Income Project, has many examples proving that this method really works. So buckle up, get ready to be amazed, and let's dive right in. By the end of this video, you'll have your very own talking avatar that will take your social media presence to the next level. Make sure to watch to the end without skipping. Step 1, pay close attention to every step. Believe me, each one is crucial, so focus. Step 2, let's bring your avatar to life. There are tons of AI tools out there, but I found a gem called Leonardo AI. And guess what? It's completely free. Just click the link below to get started. After signing up with your Google account, head over to the image generation section. This is where the magic happens. Describe the avatar you want to create. Feeling stuck? No worries. I've dropped some killer prompts in the Google Doc below to help you out. Pick one that resonates with you and let's get creative. Once you've got your prompt, it's time to customize. Want your avatar in a cartoon or photorealistic style? Done. Need a specific gender or outfit? You got it. Just tweak the values in the brackets. Like I'm going to create a photorealistic image of a young American man sitting comfortably in his neon studio, facing the front in high resolution, and set the details. Then, choose how many versions you want. I'm making 4 to keep my options open. After picking the perfect aspect ratio for your video, click generate and watch your avatar come to life before your eyes. Boom! Our image is ready. Check them out and choose the one you like best. Let's try another style. Design a photorealistic image of a vibrant and energetic young American male wearing a blue packable cap and colorful hoodies. He's sitting in front of a table with some books, pens, and flowers, with his hands clasped, all captured in high resolution. Out of the 4, I'm loving this one. Time to download it and move on to the next exciting step. Alright, we've got the visuals. Now let's give your avatar a voice. This is where the magic really starts to happen. To get started, click the link below and head over to ElevenLabs, the ultimate tool for creating super realistic AI voiceovers. With tons of voices to choose from, you'll find the perfect one to match your avatar's personality. Just sign up, explore the voice library, and pick the one that speaks to you. Literally. Got your voice? Awesome. Now type or paste your script into the text box and click generate speech. In seconds, your avatar will be speaking like a pro.
Hey there! I know your time is valuable, so...
And here's the best part. ElevenLabs free version lets you create voiceovers for up to 10,000 characters each month, so you can keep your content fresh without spending a dime. If you need to create more content, you can always upgrade your package. With your avatar and voiceover ready, it's time to bring it all together into a jaw-dropping video. For this, we're using WonderShare Virbo, a powerful tool perfect for bringing your animated avatar to life. Download and install the software using the link provided below this video. Once it's downloaded, open it, check the box, and click Install. After installation, you'll see an interface like this. Next, click Talking Photos, then click here to upload your photo. If you prefer templates, there are plenty of templates to choose from. After selecting your uploaded photo, choose the size of your video, click Create Video, and then click here to upload your audio. Make sure your voiceover is under 3 minutes. Click Apply, and then Export Video. While we wait for the video to export, if you're new to this channel, kindly like and subscribe for more valuable content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and I'll reply as soon as possible. Let's quickly preview it. Click here to download our video. Once it's ready, let's play the video to see your avatar in action.
Hey there! I know your time is valuable, so let's dive straight into creating amazing AI avatar.
Boom! Your avatar is all set. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe to join our community. And hey, you won't want to miss my next video. I'll be revealing the secrets to launching your own faceless channel. Exciting stuff ahead, so stay tuned.